Of permission, allow me to make 2 remarks only. First of all, sir, there are officers who have been injured in their line of duties, but compensation takes very long. For example, me, I was injured in 2018. To date, I have not received any compensation, and I was injured in the line of duty. Secondly, sir, normally we effect 100% transition. Sir, we are encountering difficulties because a number of children are at home because of minor levies in school. I don't know whether your office can come in so that these minor levies can be catered for so that children are kept in school. Thank you, sir.
Asante sana.
Let me ask you, Chief, those minor levies, they are school. It is the school that is putting those levies, right? It's not from the ministry itself.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, when you look at the junior school implementation guideline, there is no issue of lunch.
Yeah.
It is said that the parents and the school administration will sit down and decide on which way best forward to go through. But normally, children are being sent back home.
For lunch fee.
For lunch fee.
Yeah, okay, I hear you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
I'm Chief Nicholas Oguma, Chief West Seme Location. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Asante sana.